Hi, my name is Leilani O. Ugalde. I'm 21 years old and currently living in Rosario, Pasig City. I just want a few minutes of your time to explain why hiring me as your bank cashier will ultimately benefit your bank. Currently, I'm completing my senior year at Polytechnic University of the Philippines, where I'm studying for my Bachelor of Science in Mathematics degree. And I finished my secondary level at Eusebio High School with a fourth honorable mention. I have extensive previous experience of working as cashier and of successfully interacting with bank customers on a daily basis. I also possess a proven and products and bank services to customers, accepting cash deposits, disbursing withdrawal the amounts in cash, and processing loan payments. Apart from routine cashiering, I possess excellent communication skills and I'm able to effectively promote the bank's products or services like traveler's check, savings bond, and savers accounts. My past experience has also taught me to be a great collaborative team player, and my relationship building skills have been praised by prior employers. While my education and experience would add value to your bank, when you combine this with my passion, dedication, and commitment, I believe I provide the total package. I am excited to be launching my full-time career and guarantee that you won't regret making the decision to hire me. You may call me on 0930-888-6698 or email me at lilaniugalde@yahoo.com. Thank you for taking the time to view my video resume.